In today's video, we are going to compare the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro Plus against its non-S version. The 8S Pro Plus has just been announced, however. The 8 Pro Plus has been released, so I will give the point to the 8 Pro Plus. Both have the same dimensions and weight, so I will give it a tie in this category. Both have the same build here, so I will give it a tie also. Both have the same display type and size, so I will give it a tie. Both have the same display resolution and protection, so I will give it also a tie. Both phones run in Android 13, yet the 8S Pro Plus has a newer Red Magic OS version, so it will win here. The 8S Pro Plus has a newer chipset, so the 8S Pro Plus win. The 8S Pro Plus has a bigger RAM, so it will win. Both phones have the same camera modules, so it will be a tie. The 8S Pro Plus has a better Wi-Fi 7, so it will win here. Both have the same sensors, so it will be a tie also. Both phones have the same battery and charging rate, so it will be also a tie. The 8S Pro Plus offers more colors, so it will win here. Both phones are priced similarly, but the 8 Pro Plus offers less RAM, so it is cheaper. The Red Magic 8 Pro Plus is cheaper and is also better, but if you have the budget, I recommend the 8S Pro Plus.